Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we're gonna be talking about the climate in Sango. So I want you guys to know that in my country, in Central African Republic, there are two principal seasons. I mean the dry season and the raining season. So today we're gonna discover some vocabulary that aim to help us in order to brush up our vocabulary in Sango if we really want to speak Sango as a native. Igwe, first of all, I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So let's start with the first one, which is Mbinda. Mbinda, cloud. Mbinda, cloud. Nduzu, nduzu, sky. Nduzu, sky. Ngunzapa, ngunzapa, rain. Ngunzapa, rain. Tongolo, tongolo, star. Tongolo, star. La, sun. La, sun. Nze, moon. Nze, 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 moon. Pupu, wind. Pupu, wind. Pupu, wind. Ba, flash. Ba, flash. Ba is flash or lightning. Yeah. Ba, 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 flash. Gbede, 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 shadow. Gbede, shadow. Se, herb. Se, herb. Congo, Congo, rainbow. Congo, rainbow. Ndo amua, ndo amua, the weather is hot. Ndo amua, the weather is hot. Yeah. Ndo ade, the weather is cold. So, wa firstly is fire, but ndo amua, now we are talking about the temperature, and when it's so hot, it's like ndowa, hot, ndowa. So ndo amua means the weather is hot. Yeah. Ha, ndowa, yeah, ndowa da mingi. Yeah, it's like it's really hot. And ade, ade, it's something which is cold, like yeah, the weather is cold, and for example, I get cold or I'm cold, you should say probably de asarambi, or ndo ade is like the weather is cold. So we are at the end of this short video. I hope you guys will enjoy, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.